Hello, welcome to Dynamic Surroundings Mod Spotlight for Fabric 1.17.1. So we're playing on a new version of Dynamic Surroundings. I have done a video on this before. You can click here to check that one out. So you may notice to begin, we've got some of the audio there. You can hear the birds singing. We take a look at the controls here. You can see we've got Dynamic Surroundings, we've got Display Diagnostic HUD and Individual Sound Configuration. So you can see that currently I've got the planes, and because I'm near a river, we've got both of them running in the background under the emitter settings. So you can see if we go over to this other biome here, you can see as we go towards a swamp is going to have crickets, right? You can see outside crickets. And we have croak, we have bullfrog. These are not creatures that are actually in the game, they're just part of the ambient noise. So that's pretty cool. So the other button here is the individual sound configuration. This is a pretty cool button. What you can do is you can choose to cull the sound, so it'll be only a single instance over a short period of time. At a certain interval, you'll get that sound. You can block the sound entirely, or you can play it and you can actually then change the volume of the sound that happens. Another really cool thing here is it shows you where all the sounds come from. So you can see this is a Creative Commons 0 sound, and for instance, you can get. So if you don't want to, if you were recording for the internet or streaming and you wanted to block, say, well, this one's got a non-commercial license, so I might want to block that one, and then you can block that one, for example. So you could do something like that, and then you can search for whatever sound you want here, and you'll also notice that the Minecraft sounds here also can be, you can do the same thing with those. So here you can see we're in a village now. You see that the loop of the forest and the ambient is running. And you can see that once I'm in the house here, it stops running. So it sort of knows that I'm inside, I guess. If we then further actually go down now into a cave area, you can see we've got underground ambient now. You can see ocean under ambient, we've got underwater ambience. Now we have the so it's pretty interesting how with the biome changing, how it becomes seamless. So there you can see the plains is added to the ocean and beach, then the ocean is removed. So essentially it puts in extra loops and combines the sounds into 2 or 3 sounds together, and as you continue crossing into that next biome, it then removes the previous biome you were in to give that smooth transition. If we go for a thunder as well here, so you can see we've got some weather sounds as well there. Get this sort of noise here. So we get wind, hills, ambient. And remember, I am using the traverse biomes here. So you're going to get some interesting combinations of stuff. Here we've got 5 different things going. Looking for that wind hills to go away. Let's see if it. So we've got river, jungle, and forest here, which makes sense, right? So quite a pleasant sound in this kind of area.